do take a lot of time, so you need to make sure that you have enough time to make them. To start, you're going to take 12 ounces of bittersweet chocolate, which is usually about 3 bars. It is a lot of chocolate. And then you're going to take a knife, and you're going to chop them diagonally, and then you're going to roast it in a minute. You want these to be more like slivers than chunks since they're going to have to melt. This is a small cutting board for this. You should probably use a bigger one. So now I'm just going to cut them the other way. Next, you're going to take a small bowl. And you're just going to take all of that chocolate you've chopped, this is not going to work, and put it in the bowl. That went well. Next, you're going to take 2/3 of a cup of heavy cream. And you're going to pour that into a small pan, and you're just going to put that over about medium heat until it starts to get a little bubbly, almost to a simmer. So you can see here it's just beginning to bubble a little bit on the outsides. So then you're just going to pour that over your chocolate. Now you're going to grab a fork and just stir it around and let it melt. Chocolate is all melted, you can just put it in the fridge. I'm going to put this in for probably about 3 hours. You don't have to do it that long, though I would recommend doing it for at least 2 hours. I'll be back when these come out to actually make the truffles. See you. Once you've let your chocolate ganache sit for a couple hours, you're going to take one of these scoops. I think this is an 18/8. So this is great if you have an assistant, but I don't because there are a lot of steps. But you're going to just scoop little balls about this size, and then you're going to roll them into a ball. And then you're going to roll them into a variety of different toppings. So right now I have sanding sugar, this is red today, powdered sugar, granulated sugar, and cocoa powder. The other two that I really like are chopped nuts and grated coconut. We don't seem to have any chopped nuts, and our grated coconut expired 2 years ago. But anyways, I'm just going to roll a bunch of things. And the best part about it is you can just eat them while you're eating. You should always start with less of each of the toppings because it's harder to put back chocolatey ingredients than it is to just add more. While you're rolling, you should wash your hands frequently. And also, when your truffles get harder to form into a ball, that just means that your chocolate is softened enough that it will work correctly, so you should just pop it back in the fridge. These aren't the most beautiful since I did them pretty quickly. It only took me about 20 minutes. Sometimes this has taken me a lot longer than that, so you should make sure you have plenty of time to do these. Obviously, I've eaten a bunch of them along the way, but you'll get a lot of them and you can eat even more. Even though these are simple, they do take up a lot of time, so definitely make sure you have enough time, though I do think you should make them since they are pretty tasty. I will see you next time. Bye.